Yes, McDonald's serves an impressive amount of fries daily. To achieve this, they use a combination of efficient supply chain management, high-volume production techniques, and a well-designed cooking process. McDonald's sources potatoes from specific regions known for high-quality crops. They often work with local farmers to ensure a steady supply. Once harvested, potatoes are sent to processing facilities where they are washed, cut, blanched, and frozen. This ensures consistency in size and quality. In restaurants, the fries are cooked in at precise temperatures for optimal crispiness. Each restaurant is equipped with fryers designed for high volume to meet demand. McDonald's has standardized recipes and cooking times across all locations, ensuring that every customer receives fries that taste the same, no matter where they are. Oregon is a key player in the potato industry, producing around 6.8 billion pounds annually. The state's nutrient-rich volcanic soil and favorable climate create ideal conditions for healthy potato growth. Modern potato harvesters have revolutionized the process, capable of lifting up to 16 rows of potatoes simultaneously. Equipped with advanced technology, these machines maximize efficiency, ensuring that the harvest is both quick and effective. This combination of natural resources and technological innovation makes Oregon a standout in potato farming. The modern potato harvesters in Oregon are designed with advanced technology to maximize efficiency. They dig into the fields, scooping up both tubers and soil. Once lifted, the mixture is transported onto conveyor belts where it is sifted. This process separates the potatoes from the soil, ensuring that only the best tubers are collected. The use of conveyor systems helps streamline the sorting process, allowing for quick removal of debris and dirt, which enhances the overall speed and effectiveness of the harvest. This combination of digging and sifting technology significantly contributes to Oregon's success in potato production. A clever screening system in modern potato harvesters utilizes upward airflow to separate rocks from the potatoes. This innovative method takes advantage of the difference in weight between the heavier rocks and the lighter potatoes. As the mixture moves through the system, the upward airflow lifts the lighter potatoes while allowing the heavier rocks to fall away, effectively sorting them. This technology not only increases the efficiency of the harvesting process, but also reduces the risk of damage to the tubers, ensuring that high-quality potatoes are collected and prepared for market. This advanced separation technique is a testament to the continuous innovation in Oregon's potato industry. While the tubers are lifted by the upward airflow, the heavier rocks fall away. Other materials, such as roots and stems, are also separated during this process. As the conveyor belt continues to move, these lighter organic materials are carried along, allowing for a cleaner collection of the potatoes. The system efficiently removes unwanted debris, ensuring that only the best quality tubers proceed to the next stage of sorting and packaging. This comprehensive separation process enhances the overall efficiency and effectiveness of the harvest, maintaining the high standards for which Oregon's potato industry is known. Any damaged, sprouted, or rotten potatoes are carefully removed during the sorting process, ensuring that only the healthy tubers proceed further. The good quality potatoes are then transported to climate-controlled storage facilities. These facilities maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels, preserving the freshness and quality of the potatoes until they are ready for distribution. This meticulous handling and storage process not only enhances the shelf life of the potatoes, but also supports Oregon's reputation for producing high-quality agricultural products. Oregon's advanced storage facilities are designed to hold over 220 million pounds of potatoes, ensuring ample capacity for the harvest. After being carefully dried for 7 to 10 days, the potatoes are finally ready for processing. Thanks to the climate-controlled environment, some varieties can be stored for months without compromising their quality. This efficient storage system allows producers to manage supply throughout the year, ensuring that fresh, high-quality potatoes are available for processing and distribution, regardless of the season. This strategic approach not only optimizes the potato supply chain, but also reinforces Oregon's leadership in the industry. There have been long-held myths about the use of potato goo in the production of McDonald's fries, but these claims have been debunked. McDonald's fries are made from whole potatoes, which are peeled, cut, and then blanched before being fried. The process involves using high-quality potatoes that are specifically chosen for their taste and texture. The notion of potato likely stems from misunderstandings about the frying process and the use of additives. While McDonald's fries do contain a small number of ingredients such as vegetable oil and preservatives, they do not include any kind of processed goo. Instead, the focus is on delivering a crispy and flavorful product that meets consumer expectations. McDonald's also emphasizes transparency about its ingredients, which includes sourcing potatoes from reputable suppliers and maintaining high food safety standards. This dedication to quality helps dispel myths and reassures customers about the integrity of their fries. Once the potatoes arrive at processing facilities at the Simplot factory in Caldwell, they undergo several key steps before being transformed into the iconic fries. First, the potatoes are thoroughly washed and inspected for quality. Next, they are peeled and cut into the desired fry shape. After cutting, the fries are blanched in hot water or steamed to remove excess starch and enhance their color and texture. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect crispiness. Following blanching, the fries are cooled and then fried in vegetable oil until they reach a golden brown. Finally, the fries are flash frozen to lock in freshness and flavor, allowing them to be stored and transported to McDonald's locations. This meticulous frying process ensures that each fry is crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, delivering the signature taste that customers love. After frying, the fries undergo a series of quality control tests to ensure consistency and quality. Optical scanners play a crucial role in this process, inspecting each fry for size, shape, and color. Any fries that don't meet the established standards, such as those that are too small, uneven, or discolored, are flagged for removal. This automated quality control system helps maintain the high standards that McDonald's is known for, ensuring that only perfectly cooked fries make it to customers. Additionally, manual inspections may also take place to further verify quality, guaranteeing that every batch meets the brand's expectations for taste and presentation.